Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to the Douglas application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the or the fourth option. Then you should scroll down and tap on personal information. That's the first section. So tap on it, and here you should tap on this first button to modify your personal information. Here you can set your gender, your name, then you can add your email address, your new one, and your password. You can also change your password at this section. All you have to do is typing in your new one and the current password. And as you scroll down, you can save all of these information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.